In this video, I will show you how to create a group chat on Snapchat. If you use Snapchat regularly and want to create a Snapchat group, watch this video. Group chat lets you and up to 100 friends stay in touch and share the moments together. To start a group chat, open the Snapchat app. To view a group chat, tap it on the chat screen. You will find the group in search tool. To create a group, tap on the chat icon and tap on new group. Chat with up to 100 friends. Now type a name of your group and tap the contacts which you want to add on this group, and then tap on chat with group. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.